Welcome to our channel. We are Jill and Jerry the Cruising Canucks, and today we're taking a look at our home away from home during our incredible 12-day spring sailing from Southampton to Rome on board the Norwegian Pearl. For those that aren't familiar with this ship, the Norwegian Pearl launched back in 2006 and received her last refurbishment in 2017. The Pearl is actually scheduled for another refurbishment later in 2025, but honestly, we didn't find it needed it. We stayed in cabin 8027, which is an interior stateroom located on deck 4 towards the forward section of the ship, just ahead of the forward elevators. We've learned over 50 plus cruises that sometimes choosing the interior cabin can be the right choice so you can have more exotic destinations like we did on this cruise in Europe. We're excited to show you our interior stateroom as we were pleasantly surprised. Let's go on board and see it now. Okay, we have found our room 8027. And we have a inside cabin. Here we are.
Come on in.
Mrs. Canucks in here.
Yeah, we're quite pleased with this stateroom. We've been on Norwegian ships before that have been narrower than this, but look at the walkway around. I can get around the bed, no problem. No sort of jumping around.
This stateroom has a bed.
It has a bed.
It's pished together. Can be two singles. And what does it have? I'm looking to see if there's any power solutions. Oh, that's interesting. It does have some, we can't see it there. Let me see if I can get it so you can see it. Has a USB solution, but it's over top of your head. So if you want to like to stay up all night long and have your phone connected to your head all night long, you've got power there for that.
I think it's probably designed for, they had the bed separate, but yeah. And there is a night table with 2 shelves beside the bed. I don't know if you can show that.
Right there beside the bed.
Suitcase in the way. There you go.
And
you've got some shelving there, and you want to show
we've got a little bit of fancy artwork. And beside me here is a television.
Does it swivel? It does. That's nice.
In case you're up against the wall. And
some open concept shelves.
Some concepting shelves. And we have a mirror here, one of my favorite type of mirrors because I always look so good in these mirrors.
Oh, look at that. You're all lit up, Mr. Canuck.
Check that out. How's that looking?
And you got a hairdryer.
There we go.
It's hangs right there.
Hairdryer is holstered underneath.
There's a little stool here. I wonder if that lifts up. Yeah, it does. So you could have extra. Oh, not really.
Not a lot of storage.
Oh, you can switch it over to use it as like a table.
Like a table.
Like a coffee table or an end table.
Fancy pants.
That's what that's for.
Is that dot in there turn this on and off?
Yeah, turns your light on and off.
Fancy.
So there you go.
Comes with the champagne and strawberries.
Yeah.
It's actually a gift for us, we've been told.
You've got some more open concept shelves.
We did purchase some water before we were on board because the drink package does not include water on this
You can get tap water with ice and that, but this is nice to have to grab in our backpack for getting off in the morning time.
Yes.
And there is a bar fridge in here.
And you have bar items, but that is also not included in your drink package.
No, that's for purchase.
So do not drink it.
And there's a makeup mirror tucked in here.
Tucked in there. Yeah.
Some glasses.
And here we have the thermostat, which I thought was really cool because as you're warm and cold, obviously we're all the way down to cold. We've got the fast cool. You get this, and it's like a shot of cold. Snow comes out of the vents. It cools you off really fast.
It does not.
Oh, yeah, you're right, but maybe it just gets cold really fast.
You've got a couple.
We're gonna put it to the test this week.
Couple hooks there. Do you want to look at the closet next?
Sure, let's go in the closet.
The closet's light up.
Oh, has lights in the closet.
Fancy. One full length closet there, and then this side has your little, it's a tiny safe. You wouldn't put a computer or a laptop in there or anything.
Get a couple drawers.
Couple drawers, 2 of them.
There you go.
There you go.
You got your tall people can put their clothes there, and the short people traveling with you can go there.
And then you've got some shelving up here.
And over beside the cupboards.
And over here is open shelving, so you've got 6 open shelves here to store stuff.
All the way to the floor.
So it seems like it's a lot of luggage.
Go to the bathroom. The lavatory.
Go on in.
Ooh, it's got a fancy lighting and a whole bunch of shelving above the toilet. And there is a toilet. And it has a sink that has really interesting drainage system in it. Check that out. It's got another one of these mirrors that I'm in. And then we got a clothesline in the shower.
Clothesline and a shower, adjustable. Couple shelves in here. Actually, it feels like a pretty spacious shower.
Yeah.
It does not have a bar for shaving your legs though, ladies. Yeah.
There you go. This is the bathroom, and got more hooks on the back of the wall. Has a couple also towel rails. There you go. That is an inside stateroom, and actually is a little bit larger than we expected
It is.
on this ship. Okay. That's the end of our tour for the Norwegian Pearl's interior cabin. And as you can see, it may not have had a view of the ocean, but it had everything it needed for our 12 days exploring Western Europe. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And also go back and check out all 12 vlogs for our adventures through Europe on the Norwegian Pearl. Thank you for watching.